Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Students, in my last lecture, we were looking 1.3 question number third one. I think we have completed question number 1 and 2 of question number 3. Okay. Now we are going to continue the question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now see the third one you will do yourself. If you have any query or doubts you can ask me by calling. Okay. Now see the question number 4th one. We have question 4. 6x minus 4y equal to minus 12. Second equation we have 8x minus 3y equal to minus 2. Okay, let's see once again the question. 6x minus 4y equal to minus 12. Another equation we have 8x minus 3y equal to minus 2. The equation is already clear in the form of x plus by is equal to c. Okay, now see here we will see in this equation it is your a1, okay, b1, c1, it's your a2, b2 and this one c2. Now to get the d first, we'll arrange the number in the absolute value. Here we have the a1, b1, a2, b2. a1 is there 6, b1 is there minus 4. Now a2 is there 8 and b2 is there minus 3. Now we are going to bring the value of d, that is get the cross multiplication. 6 into minus 3 minus according to the last 8 minus 8 into minus 4. To getting the value of d, continue it. 6 3 is 18 plus minus minus. Okay, 8 4 the 32 minus minus plus 32. Now subtract both one. What you will get here? From 32 you will minus or subtract the 18, you will get what? 14 I think you will get there. Okay, it is your with minus plus sign, because the number greater number we have the plus sign, so we will take the answer will be in the positive or plus sign. Now next thing we have to bring second dx. To get the value of dx we will cancel, will not take the x here, means a1 and a2 will not take here, 6 and 8 will not take here. In place of this one we will keep c1 and c2. The c1 we have minus 12 and the c2 we have what? Minus 2. Okay, now keep your y as it is, means b1 and b2 as it is, minus 4 and minus 3. Of the cross multiplication, here we have the minus 12 into minus 3 minus in other bracket you will get a minus 2 and minus 4. You get the value of dx, continue it. Dx is equal to 12 3 the 36 minus minus plus 36, 2 4 the 8 minus minus plus and plus outside minus sign is there, plus minus minus, you will get here minus 8 and subtract 36 minus 8. What you will get here? 28. dx is there, we got here 28. The greater number is plus, take the answer in plus sign. Okay, now continue the dy. Same thing according to the last, will not take y value here, means b1 and b2 will won't be here. Here we will keep the a, means c1 and c2, that is the minus 12. Okay, and minus 2. It is your y means b1 and b2. Keep the a1 and a2 as it is according to the first bracket 6 and 8. Have the cross multiplication. Okay, continue it. 6 into minus 2 minus 8 into minus 12. Continue for the dy. 6 to the 12 plus minus minus 12 adds the 96 minus minus plus 12 adds the 96 minus minus plus 6 to the 12 plus minus minus. Here see very well, minus 12 and plus 96 plus minus minus, you have to subtract the minus 12 from the 96, then you will get here 84. Okay, it is your dy. Now continue to get the value of x. We will write the formula x is equal to dx upon d. Keep the value here. The dx we have 28 and the d we got already 14. Divide it. 14 plus the 14, 14 to the 28. We got the x. Now y, dy is equal to d. What's the dy? 84 upon d is the 14. 14 plus the 14, 14 6 are 84. Y we got here 6. The solution will write in the end of the answer. Will write the solution x comma y. We got x 2 and y we got 6 is your solution. Okay, so now next question we'll see here the question number 5-1. Here the question 5-1 we have, see very well all the students, 4m plus 6n equal to 54. Next equation 3m plus 2n equal to 28. This two one we have here equation. Same thing we have to solve here. We'll categorize this one a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. To get the value of d first, we'll write here a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay, keep your a1, we have the a1 4, b1 we have the 6, a2 3 and b2 we have the 2. Okay, all are in positive sign, so we'll continue it directly. Take the cross multiplication, 4 into 2 minus 3 into 6. 4 2 is 8, here plus minus minus, 3 6 is 18. This one we are getting the value of d, plus minus minus, 18 minus 8, you will get 10. Okay, with the greater number sign the minus is there, so the answer will be there in minus. Okay, we got the value of d minus 10. Now continue it, we will write the, to get the value of dx, dx is equal to, will not take here x value, means a1 and a2, this one 4 and 3. Here we keep the 54 and 28, that is the c1 and c2. 54, c2 we have the 28. Okay, now we'll write here b1 and b2, that is the 6 and 2. Continue with there. Now take the cross multiplication, 54 into 2 minus 54 into 2 bracket close and minus 28 into 6. Here the major number are there, have the product very carefully. Okay, now 54 into 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, you will get 108 plus minus minus. Here also multiplication is there, 6 8 is 48, 4 carry, 6 to the 12 plus 4 16. Here also subtraction is there. Okay, now 108 minus 168 is the greater one, plus minus minus you will get here with the greater number sign. We have the answer, you will get there 168 minus 108, you will get only 60 with the minus sign. Okay, now we got here dx. Now continue for the dy. Same thing is there according to the last question. Okay, now we will not take here y, means b1 and b2. Here we will keep the value of c1 and c2, this one 54 and 28. We continue here 54 and 28. This is your c1 and c2. Okay, now here we will keep the a1 a2 means x value. a1 a2 we have the 4 and 3. Now continue the solution. Cross multiplication is there. 4 into 28 minus 3 into 54. Continue to get the value of dy. Multiplication 4 into 28, 4 is 32, 3 carry, 4 2 is 8 plus 3 11. The product of 28 and 4 we got here 112, plus minus minus, multiplication of 3 and 54, 3 4 is 12, 1 carry, 2, 1 carry, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16. There also subtraction is there. 112 means 112 minus 162. You will get here 50. The greater number is 162. Having the minus sign, keep here minus sign. dy we got here. Dx and dy we got easily here. Now continue to get the value of x. The formula is there. Dx upon d. Keep the value here. The dx we have, see, minus 60. And d we got minus 10. Minus minus cancel. Now 10 ones are 10, 10 6 are 60. You will get here 6. Okay, value of x. Now continue y. The y is there, dy upon d. Continue it there. What we have the dy, that is the minus 50, and d we have minus 10. Cancel the sign first, minus minus. 10 ones are 10, 10 5 are 50. We got here value of y. Here we have the solution. The x and y we got, x we got 6 and y we got 5. 6 comma 5 is your answer. Okay student, watch very carefully the all questions and do the very actively all the questions. Okay, no looseness will be there. Okay, the last question we are going to solve here. Continue. The last question is there. Here we have, see the last question, 6-1. The last question we have, I am writing the question. Wait, all of you. See the last question. Here what we have, 6-1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. In second equation we have x minus y upon 2 equal to 1 by 2. The first equation we have cleared, 2x plus y, 3y is equal to 2. Now here we have to manage this equation. Okay. Now see the second equation, we have x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now here in division or denominator we have 2. Okay, it is dividing. Now we'll multiply by 2 on the each number or each side, by multiply by 2. Okay, by multiply by 2 to each number to cancel the denominator. Here we'll write, okay, multiply by 2 on each sides. Now multiply it there, 2 into x, 2 into y upon 2, 2 into 1 by 2. Here 2 and the 2 cancel. Okay, 2 and the 2 cancel. You will get here 2x minus y equal to 1. This is your second equation. Okay. Now we have already got the equation. Okay. 2x plus 3y equal to first equation, and second equation we have 2x minus y equal to 1. We'll write clearly both the equation. First 2x plus 3y equal to 2, and the second equation we have 2x minus y equal to 1. Okay. Now to get the value of b, you know very well, this is your a1, okay, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now keep the your value a1, b1, that's 2, 3, a2, b2. a2 is there 2 and a2 is minus y, means minus 1. Now continue according to the last. Take the product of cross multiplication. Will take here 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3. Okay. Value of d equal to 2 1 the 2 plus minus minus 2, 2 3 are 6 minus minus, sorry, plus minus minus, 2 1 the 2 plus minus minus 2, 2 3 are 6 plus minus minus, both are minus minus minus, plus you will get minus 8 with the greater number sign. Now continue to get the value of dx here first. According to the last, we will not take x here, means a1 and a2. Okay, this one. We will take the as it is 3 and 1 minus 1. In place of a1, a2 we will write here c, this one, the c1 and c2. c1 we have 2 and c2 we have 1. Now take the cross multiplication. 2 into minus 1 minus 1 into 3. Okay, value of dx equal to 2 1 the 2 minus 2 plus minus minus, 3 1 the 3 plus minus minus 3 minus minus plus we will get minus 5. Now continue, we will have to bring the dy. The dy. We will not take here y. Okay, in place of one y, we will take the c1 and c2. Keep the x as it is. The x is we have 2 and 2, means a1, a2. Okay, now in place of c1 and c2, we will write here c1 and c2. c1 is 2 and c2 is 1, means we will write here 2 and 1. Have the cross multiplication. 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Okay, now continue. Value of dy, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4 plus minus minus, here you will get plus minus minus, 2 4 minus 2 you will get minus 2. Okay, now continue here. Value of x, the formula is there, dx upon d. See very well, the dx we have got minus 5 and value of d we have the minus 8. No division will be here, so we will cancel only the minus minus, it will be in plus. The answer will be there of value x 5 by 8. Now continue to get the y. Formula is there, dy upon d, dy upon d. The dy we got minus 2 and d is there minus 8. Minus minus plus means cancel, or 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. We got here the value of y 1 upon 4. In the last we will write here solution x comma y. X we got 5 by 8 and y 1 upon 4 is your answer. Okay student, now here we have completed our exercise. Inshallah we will continue in my next lecture the exercise 1.4. Before that exercise we are starting there, we will see the some basic points here. Now you be careful at home. Inshallah we will see the next exercise. One more instruction here, the 1.1 2 3 we have done already there. Now you manage these all equations or exercises and practice regularly at home, then you are able to do the next exercise 1.4. Okay, inshallah we'll see. Thank you, jazakallah, assalamu alaikum.